Hello, Creek Week crew leaders and attendees. Thank you for donating your time to help us keep our watershed clean. I'm Dr. Maggie Gaddis, and I'm a restoration ecologist. I'm working with the Creek Week team this year to increase our data collection on the riparian vegetation, the plants in the river areas that we are cleaning up. Over time, we can see how the river landscape changes through these photos and this species collection information. The city does this in the spring in the City Nature Challenge BioBlitz that we've had for a couple of years. And now we can bring that same data collection to the fall if we do it through Creek Week. So it's real simple. You put this app on your phone, and then when you're snapping pictures through the app, they aggregate. So at the end of Creek Week, we'll have this whole list of all the species that we saw in the watershed. So I'm going to show you the computer-based side of this, and then we'll be able to see how you can get ready before you're actually out there with a trash bag. So maybe you've already participated in some data collection with iNaturalist, so you'd log in, or you can just sign up. So you sign up real easy, and then on your phone, you look in the Play Store for the app, and then sign in with the same credentials. So I'm going to sign in here in just a moment. All right, so when you log in here, um, you can see all this stuff about your observations, about the projects you might be in. So here's some species I've already taken pictures of in our community. I want to make one final comment before we move on. When you're out in the field, you do not have to name the species that you take pictures of. You can just take the pictures. And that's what iNaturalist is all about. There's a community of people behind it. So even though I know the names of most of the plants in my research and recreation areas, I am usually out there jogging or collecting data or something, and I just take the pictures and other people name them for me. And then in the backside, we decide together what it should actually be identified as. So don't get hung up on this. You don't need any previous skills in plant identification. So I'll show you how that works. I just posted this picture with no name, and then I suggested the name. And then someone said, oh, your coordinates didn't get saved, and then I fixed it. So there's a whole community behind this iNaturalist. Okay, now the last piece here, you're going to click on projects, and if you could join this project, the riparian vegetation of the Fountain Creek watershed, before Creek Week, that would be great, or whenever you're on your computer. You can add observations you've already made along creeks, or you can continue to collect data past Creek Week, but please be sure that you join this project if you are going to participate in iNaturalist as part of your Creek Week experience. Now, if you'd like to learn a bit more about how to use iNaturalist, they have some awesome videos here on the website. So we can go through these videos at home and get a better sense of how to use it. Maybe some of this stuff is of great interest to you, maybe not. The very simplest thing is to just press the take picture button, and then you're off and running. So that's it. That is how you can contribute to iNaturalist while you're out there in Creek Week. So you take pictures of the plants you see, and you just watch the video, which I'll post right here in the slideshow. And let me know if you have any questions. Hopefully I see you at the training. If not, we're also having a field seminar on the 21st, where we will tour the watershed with the Colorado Native Plant Society, starting at Bear Creek Trailhead, going down to the Fountain Creek Nature Center. I hope to see you one of those times, and until then, thank you for your volunteerism.